Greater Works International.
John 10:10. Let's work with 10. Read.
The thief comes only in order to steal and kill and destroy.
Yes.
I came.
You see, that's it. That's his only mission, to kill, steal, and destroy. That's the thief. But God said, no, I came. Yeah.
That they may have and enjoy life.
Have a bad life.
Enjoy life.
Walk and drag your foot.
Enjoy life.
So what that means, hold it the little reader. Let us just park us a little bit. Because whole heap of Christians not enjoy life. And let me say this, you know why? Religious doctrines have caused several Christians not to enjoy life. All them tell you hear me say this, me all the DJ and them take me send me go all to Africa on a little DJ clip. I go foreign people book me up in at the airport. I said, I saw you. I said, man, favor man. Them say, are you? All over the world, the little clippings go. At first, I was getting a little agitated of it. I was saying, God, them just take one little clipping, so I send all over the world. And then God makes somebody call me from foreign. And said this to me in the morning. Him say, man of God, guess why I call you? Me starting. Me say, the clippings. Him say, yes. Me say, man of God, why? Everybody are calling about this clipping. Him say, son, God advertise you. You see, I never see it that way there, Same time, I start feel happy. Him say, I gotta doing things, so left it. People of Africa, people of Egypt, people of Australia. A man from Tokyo, Carl. Something clippings, more shit. Glory to God. So God are doing things. God says, I came that we should enjoy life. But some church folks tell you, you're going to go to hell if you shake your foot and if you dance with your wife. If you carry out your wife, go watch a movie, you're going to hell. Well, I want to tell you, any hot movie, a nice movie, well, pray me up if you want. Me and carry my little boy and my family, go sit down and laugh after my money, laugh after my chauffeur. Yes, why? Never enjoy life. It never say enjoy heaven. No, when you get there, me have to enjoy life down here. It is so terrible. I had a function at my house. Whole heap of food. Big sound system coming. I want nothing small. Big sound. A pump in a rock-a-top. And I invited some preachers. No food, no tray of food. I don't believe in a you come nothing for me. I'm hungry. A joke can make. When me done with you have colic. Them a laugh after pastor. From day one, me will feed you. And I had a big thing. I invited the group 1/3 and me take some people off a Rising Star and me bring them come and me invite a whole heap of preacher and me say, "Uno come out with your wife and enjoy yourself." So when them come and put my back lawn and spread out, and so me see one preacher get up. I just walk over there and I say, yo, sit down, me pray already. Me say, dance to music. You come about your pray. What you pray for? Me say, me pray already. You not hungry? Me say, eat food and rock past the rock. He no member of Iraq. Work. Get up, back, I work. Who could have been? gone back a work. You gone back a work. Full of your discouraged self, but you gone back a work. Bitch me. Gone back a work, gone back a work, hear me? Gone back a work, me say you gone back a work. You're full of discouragement, but you gone back a work. You feel discouraged a work, bitch me. Gone back a work, gone back a work, hear me? Gone back a work, me say you gone back a work. You're full of discouragement, but you gone back a work. You feel discouraged, gone back a work. Nah, no money, but you gone back a work. Work a work, work a work. Shoes now gone, but you gonna work. Teeth a hurt you, gonna work. Head a pain you, gonna work. And you me tell them say water gone. And them couldn't boil no corn. Think about it, church. You live your life just straight in a straight jacket. You know how much Christian me know? If you say to go to a movie, them say, what? Shut up. God says, I came that you may enjoy life. I'm going to go out up in here. Here, an intercessor come to me. And them know, you know, wrong person to come to. She come. Man of God, I heard you say that you went to a movie. Is he then? I say, hold on a little. I say, what you say? She start praying under her breath. So I say it again. I say, I'm going to take my little boy to a movie. I say, a movie. She touch her next intercessor friend. And look for me and look for each other. I say, so he then go there. The other one say, hey, you're joking, right? You're really not serious. I say, serious as a judge. I said to her, no. You ever go a KFC, go buy food? She said, yeah, yesterday she take somebody go. I say, heathen full of KFC. I say, heathen, they everywhere. I said, where you work? She tell me. Me say, heathen, their office. So when you leave here, no go office, no go work. And if you live in a rent house, a heathen, own it, live a street. Top 3 persons say, enjoy your life. You come in at the place, you better laugh out them. Now, when I say enjoy your life now, I don't mean you go out naked on the road and see a pastor say. And you go drink and junk and turn idiot and see a pastor say. But I'm saying, we need, take your wife out. If there is a monotonous show or shy lights and them come, it's love songs. Pick up your wife and go a shy lights. Go listen to something. Break some of it every single day. And I'm saying this to you now. I know folks going to write me for this, but write, where's your ink? Where's your ink? It's not right. It's not right to dance to Jesus songs with your wife. Come here, Pastor. Make a try some. I said to come. Never sing a Jesus song for me. Guys, worship.
Moving in this place, we worship you. We worship you. Are here. You are here. Moving in this place.
Oh, that's there.
We worship you. For you are the way
If you put on a Manhattans,
The closer I get to you,
say, go on, pastor. Especially when him say, for sweeter and sweeter love grows, and heaven's there for those who fool the tricks of time with the hearts of love divine, true love in a special way. Some people, just to show you, is so timid to even grab your wife and dance, because hear what your thought is. I wonder if this wrong. Is this wrong? Is this wrong, Lord? You see why I can't preach religion? Religion shut down too many persons. Hello. Enjoy your wife and your husband. You can't do it with a Jesus song. So you're going to have to put on a love song. If some don't understand, that's why there's the Songs of Solomon. The Bible says if folks want to challenge what I say and what I teach people, the Bible said whatsoever is lovely, whatsoever is good, whatsoever is of a good report, think on these things, do them. Glory to God. Glory to God. I teach on everything in every area. The Bible says enjoy. How could God mean enjoy life? How you explain enjoying life? It means that if sinners have both, me fi have one. If sinners eat big whale, a steam whale, we fi eat two. If you have money, me fi have money too. You can't enjoy life without money, so God couldn't mean to be broke. Some folks ask, are you a prosperity preacher? Yes! The gospel is one of prosperity. And I don't mean just money, but you must prosper in your spirit, soul, body, family, and your money.